name and how old are you?
Good day. My name is Raquel de Vinagracia and I'm 52 years old.
So for our first question, how did you usually learn class in school? For example, listening to lectures, reading, doing activities, group works, or etc.
I learn best by listening to my teacher and reading textbooks. We focused a lot on memorization and repetition.
Thank you. For our next question, how did your teacher usually teach their lesson during your time in school?
Our teachers mostly used lectures. They talked in front of the class and we listened and took notes.
So thank you. How would you describe the school and classroom environment during your time as a student?
The classroom was very strict and quiet. Students were disciplined and teachers were respected.
Okay. For your fourth question, how were students assessed or graded when you were in school?
We were graded mostly through written exams, quizzes, and oral recitations.
Okay, thank you. What was the biggest challenge you experienced in your education?
The biggest challenge was the lack of resources like books and school supplies.
And for your last question, what role did technology play in your education and how did it affect your learning?
We did not use much technology. We relied on books, chalkboards, and handwritten notes.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking your time to be interviewed.
Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Lovely Jane VFAT and today I will be answering all the questions wholeheartedly. So I learn best through videos, group discussions, and hands-on activities that were given to us by our teachers. And I understand lesson more when they are interactive and it requires a lot of work because we learn by doing. So teachers now they use different methods like presentations, group works, and online activities, not just textbook-based lectures that were common before. Today, they now have a lot of online options which they can integrate the lesson well for us students to understand efficiently. So the environment today is much more flexible. Teachers are now very much more approachable, and students can now ask teachers, instructors with their questions well, without being apprehended, without being disciplined because of constant asking behaviors. Such thing as we are very much more open nowadays. So we are graded in accordance with our exam scores, our projects, and performance tasks, especially performance tasks because we have oral recitations and such. And sometimes we do online quizzes as well as online exams. This is the current way of assessing if we have really learned throughout our discussions. I think the hardest part there is managing stress because since nowadays it's not teacher centered anymore, student centered anymore, so we are really bombarded with a lot of activities and deadlines which also can affect our personal life. And so we're juggling to balance our school life with our personal life as well. So I think that's the hardest part there. Yes. We use technology a lot. This includes our cell phones, our laptops, and other gadgets that we use, and especially the internet, which makes learning faster and easier, making education much more efficient when we are learning with it.
The older generation learned mainly through lectures, textbook, and memorization. In a strict and quiet classroom where discipline and respect for teachers were important. They were assessed through written exams and oral recitation and had limited resources and a little use of technology. In contrast, the new generations learn through interactive methods such as videos, group work, and hands-on activities in a more relaxed environment. Technology also plays a big role in learning today, making it easier and faster through though students now face challenges like stress, deadlines, and balancing personal life.